Okay, I'd like to show you how to play Life by the Drop by Stevie Ray Vaughan today. I've changed my tuning from G, D, G to A. So I raised this string by a whole step to A, and then D and G, same as normal. That allows us to play the intro of the song using the same strings that he was using, so it's a lot easier to get a lot closer to what he was doing. So the most complicated part of the song is that first lick. I suggest splitting it in two and trying to memorize each half, and then trying to practice it up to speed. So I'll do the first half now, starting on the low, what is now an A string, 0 hammer 3. Then on the middle string, 0, 1, slide to 2, and then open on the high string, open on the middle, hammer 1 and open. So that was hammer onto 1, pull off to open, then 3, then open on the middle, and 3. That's a good place to pause. Okay, so you might want to work on that separately, and now here's the second half of that, which starts with the high G string, open, hammer onto 2, pull off, 2, 1, 0 again, hammer onto 1 again, pull off again, and 3 again, like the first lick. Changes a bit here, 0, 3, 0 again, and both those zeros are on the middle, 3, and I usually pull it off to the open A string, low A, and then it goes to 2 on the high string. And when I play that 2, I use my first finger and I cover both strings because we want to get into an A chord right away. So I'll play that second part. Should probably do that again. Now he doesn't actually play it all that fast, so you just have to get it quick enough where it sounds like him. And you go right into the chord there once you hit that note there, and there's a little lick. And the chord is 2, 0, 2, low string, middle string. That's an A chord. And then an A, actually A5. And then an A6, which is 0 and the 4th fret. And instead of doing the 4 second time, you just pull off from the 3 to the 0 and then hit the high string. He does that throughout the song here and there, just when he's not singing as a fill. Okay, and then you just do it without doing that. And it's a shuffle, so you want to think of 1 and 2 and 3, not 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. You want 1 and 2 and 3. And that's the feel for the entire piece. And then we go up to the 5 chord, which is on the 7th fret. And we use the first finger there, which makes it an E chord. And we use our 3rd finger 2 frets up on the middle string. And we do the same pattern using our little finger for the 11. So this is 9, this is 11. Then we go up 2 frets from there to F sharp, technically minor, but it doesn't matter because of how we're tuned. And you can fancy that up, as long as you keep the shuffle feel. And those are both 11s, so it's 9, 11, 11. Then to the 4 chord, which is on the 5th fret, and that's now a D. Same pattern that we used on 7 and 9, we're now using on 5 and 7. And then back to the 1 chord. And then the next part of the song, you go up to the F sharp, then you go to the 5, but you just play a half measure, like that, twice I guess, and then twice with the little finger, I meant. And then up to 7 to 9. Back to the F sharp minor. I believe he does it one more time. And I believe on this one he stops. And you go back to the 1. And throw in that little lick. Everything else in the song is really quite subtle. There's only one other lick that's pretty strong, and that's in the same part of the song, the chorus part, I guess. And that's at 5, and then slide to 9, then to 7, and then it's kind of like a trill. And I think he's actually ending on a note over here that we don't have on his E string. So I just ended on this note. Then it stops again. So the whole song is very straightforward. That first lick, you really have to memorize it. That's the best thing to do. And so you don't have to think about it too much. If you're busy going, oh, 0, 3, 1, 2, 3, like that, it can be quite difficult. So just take the time to memorize it. And so you don't have to think about it anymore, and then you can practice getting it up to speed. Have a great day. Bye.